How do you like your flight, Sasha?
It was totally awesome.
I think the best thing about it is the freedom.
We're going flying!
I want to control one.
So flying's the same. You're in control.
Show me how that stick works.
The people, they come from very diverse backgrounds, and we all love to fly.
Lots of friendly people to fly with.
It gives me such an incredible sense of freedom. It blows the cobwebs out of my head.
I think I'll go up in an ultralight. That interests me a great deal more.
You can pack it up in the back of your car, truck, or van and literally go almost anywhere flying.
You gotta come out and do this. This is what being a pilot's all about.
So, you're interested in sport aviation. Ultralights and light sport aircraft now provide the greatest variety of aircraft in the world. The most important part of getting into sport aviation is deciding what type of flying fits your lifestyle and what type of aircraft will do it for you. We will begin by explaining the basics of what is an ultralight and a light sport aircraft. We will then help you evaluate your situation with considerations of cost, ease of flying, athletic ability, engine versus no engine, portability, storage, aircraft speeds, and previous aviation experience. Finally, we will compare the advantages and limitations of the different types of aircraft to ultimately help you select the best aircraft that fits your needs.